All right, guys, so we got some pieces in today. Just got home, UPS showed up. Gonna pull some of this out, talk about it, what came in, and what some of the plans are. And anyway, so let me flip this around and we'll get to some unboxing. So, first box today. See what we got. All right, looks like we got some insulation. This is what we plan to use on the bottom of the floorboards and in the engine cowl. It had pretty good reviews. Got it off of Amazon. I think it's a 7 mil. There was some 10 mil and some extra thick stuff, but under those floorboards I don't have a lot of space, and even around the engine cowl I don't. So this does have some foam for sound barrier, and it does have the foil, which makes it rated for a little bit higher temp. Hopefully the adhesive will hold up well. I'm probably gonna put a little spray adhesive additional to that when we apply it, but this is what we plan to use on the bottom of the floorboards, the front floorboards, and the complete engine cowl. We gotta try to keep that air in. And then I'm actually gonna use a different mat. It's like a thermal mat, and we're gonna use it on the door panels and the inside of the doors to try to keep that AC cool in that truck also and keep the heat out of it. And I also saw somebody posted on a forum the other day. I have the headliner down in that truck, and you know, that headliner is pretty much, there's just one sheet of metal on the top. So I'm gonna put that thermal stuff completely above that headliner in that hollow part of the truck, so you won't see it when it's covered up. Let's grab another box. Let's see what else we got. All right, box 2 for today. Let's take a look and see what else came in. I think I know what's in here, but let y'all be in suspense. Alright, anybody want to guess what that is? This is the factory dash pad. The dash pad that's on there now is a little bit cracked up. We can't have that. We want a nice new looking dash pad. And in this new truck, the interior colors are going to be black leather, and the door panels are going to be black. Everything else is going to be blue. The dash will be black. And I've ordered an LCD display for that. Got a video coming up on it. It's on order. It does take, they build them when you order them. So it's going to take a little while before it comes in, but when it comes in, we'll lay it out and we'll show you everything that it has to offer. So this is the dash pad. I really like the quality. It's really nice. You can see it's got the studs in it and everything. It even came with the nuts and the washers to install it. So looks like this came from dashesdirect.com. So pretty nice. Feels good. All right, guys. This is the straight from LMC truck. This is the Grille shell aluminum. Grill that I had, it wasn't in the best shape. It's not going to match the quality of what we're doing here, so I had to order a new one. And wow, this thing looks amazing. Get this thing out. Take a look. Alright guys, that is the square headlight, 78, 79 Grille. It matches what was on the truck before. I think that truck, the one before, was actually a black Grille, but it's with the chrome theme on it. So this is the one we're going to use. I think I have a couple more pieces that go with it, so let me grab those and we'll take a look at those. Alright, a couple more small packages, which of course, these just go with the Grille here. We have, I guess we'll call the light housing right here. see those look really nice. These are just drop in. Put those in a little bit. The other one here. Take those out later, put them in. I'm gonna break them. All of this came from LMC Auto also. And then right here, well, notice right here, got a new hood latch. The hood latch that was on that other truck was not the correct one. I'm not sure that the hood's actually gonna come unlatched. I'm gonna have to bolt that shut. A lot of you have seen the videos of the hood flying off the truck. Don't want to repeat that. And then here we have a brand new grill assembly. Anyway, get that piece together, get that done. I have outside another box. We'll move the camera outside and we'll go take a look at that. It's something that may be a little controversial, but I want y'all to take a look at it. Tell me what you think, what your opinion is. Anyway. All right, y'all, so this is one of the last pieces for today. I know I don't have the best camera angle, but one of the things that I look at on the Texas Toy is I'm really trying to make it feel like that Denside truck, you know, with the door panels, the dash. I want to kind of really bring that in, you know, air conditioning, all the modern amenities, I guess, and upgrades. So I'm considering putting on a rear and front bumper. I know it has the big pipe bumpers, but it's got a big gap on the back and a big gap on the front. And I just feel like that the chrome bumpers will really kind of give it a little bit of a full look. So I've got a brand new OEM. This isn't even one of the step bumpers. This is one of the just carriage bolt mounting. Chrome rear bumper and front bumper. I'm gonna put it up there and see what it looks like, but I think it's gonna make the truck look a lot better, especially on the front. If you look at the pictures of the front of the truck, you've got, like I said, probably about that much gap between the grille and the bumper. And this will make the grille look a lot nicer, having that front factory bumper on there too. So anyway, just something I'm considering doing. I got them, gonna mock them up to see how they look. And appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate all the likes and subscribes. Stopped by, checked on the body on the way home today, and it's getting close to primer, and they've got mostly everything prepped, so things are going along really well. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.